In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a video in Canva. Canva is a versatile tool not just for graphic design, but also for video creation. If you've finished editing your video and are ready to download it, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring it's straightforward and easy to follow. First, make sure you're on your Canva editing page. This is where you've been working on your video project. Once you're satisfied with your work and ready to save it to your device, you'll want to look to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that. This button isn't just for sharing, it also provides download options for your project. After clicking Share, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to select the download option. This will open a new window with various download settings. It's important to note that Canva automatically selects the most appropriate file type for your project, but you can always adjust this if needed. Next, you'll see the quality settings for your video. Canva allows you to adjust the resolution by dragging a slider. This is where you can choose the resolution that best suits your needs. For instance, if you're using Canva's free plan, you can download your video at 1080p, which is high definition and suitable for most purposes. However, if you have a paid Canva plan, you're able to access the maximum quality settings, which can be beneficial if you need a higher resolution for professional purposes. Once you've set your desired resolution, you can proceed with the download. Simply click the download button at the bottom of the window. Depending on your internet speed and the length of the video, the download process can take a few moments. Be patient, and soon your video will be saved to your device, ready for sharing or personal use. And there you have it. You now know how to download your video from Canva. It's a simple process, but adjusting the quality settings to fit your needs is key. Remember, while the free version offers great quality, the paid version provides additional benefits for those who need them. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy creating with Canva.